Good evening, class of 2027, friends and family. I have the distinct honor and privilege to introduce one of our very own, an Alabama Agricultural and Mechanical University alumnus, a food science bulldog, Eboni Major, who is the first African-American whiskey blender. Eboni began her career in 2015 with a degree in food science and minor in chemistry from the nationally recognized Department of Food and Animal Sciences right here on the Hill. Eboni discovered her passion for developing quality food products, which led her to continue her education and pursue a Master of Science in Food Science. But midway through her graduate studies, an opportunity for an internship led to a full-time blending role. And of course, the rest is history. Renowned in the bourbon community, Eboni created Bulleit's single barrel program, leaving her personal touch on a brand that has become a collector's item for bourbon connoisseurs. In 2019, Eboni Major was responsible for blending the #1 whiskey of the year. Let's give her a round of applause. Congratulations. She has earned over a dozen San Francisco Spirits Awards, including gold medals, and won Diego's 2020 Global Craft Person of the Year. Eboni has also won a number of other awards, but based on her American whiskey expertise, Eboni has played a key leadership role for multiple startups and large-scale distilleries across Kentucky, Indiana, and Tennessee. After leaving Kentucky, Eboni is back to her hometown of Birmingham, Alabama, and in 2022, she released her first blend, Dread River Master Series, a fast-selling limited batch. So class of 2027, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Bulldogs, I present to you Eboni Major, the first African-American whiskey blender, a history maker who started right here on the Hill at Alabama Agricultural and Mechanical University, a true representation of start here, go anywhere, Eboni Major.
Okay, how are you guys today? Good, you should be happy. This is a new journey. Should be really happy. I'm a little bit nervous. My sister told me not to say that, but I'm gonna be honest. But I really wanna share with you guys something that took me a while to write, because as Dr. Verghese said, I started here. Once you start here, you can go anywhere. So I wanna thank you, Dr. Verghese, for the introduction. I wanna say good afternoon to all the students, first of all, to the parents, family, friends, staff, faculty. Thank you for having me here today. I am Eboni Major. I am a food science graduate, and I am honored to be here with you today. We are gathered to celebrate a very pivotal moment in your life. You spent the last 4 years working through high school, hard work, dedication, perseverance, and I am here with immense pride, not only for what you've done, but what we're going to do together over the next few years. My journey to this stage has been marked by challenges, triumphs, lessons that have shaped me to the person I am today. When I left this university in 2015, I had no idea what was in store for me. I had no idea the unfamiliar territories or the destinations I would reach. I moved to a town, Louisville, Kentucky, where the bourbon country is, and worked in an industry I knew nothing about. When I showed up the first day at work, I was like, why is the liquor clear? It's supposed to be brown. So I knew absolutely nothing about this industry. But then I became the first African-American whiskey blender. With God on my side and the support of my family, I knew I could do whatever I put my mind up to. I had just graduated from Alabama A&M, a university founded in 1875 by former slave William Hooper Council. As I think of my journey on this campus, I reflect of all the friends and colleagues that I made along the way, the camaraderie, the love, the adoration for each other. and I challenge you to get to know your school. Across dorm rooms, departments, it is here that I got to know some of the greatest minds. Some of the smartest and most successful people that I know come from this very campus, whether it's engineering, education, fashion, animal science, or forestry. I am confident, and I can say that A&M has made a mark on the world. College is such an important decision in your life. It becomes your family, and for the first time, you are on your own, okay? But I have no doubt that you're equipped with the tools that you need to achieve every one of your dreams. I'm gonna share a bit of my story with you, but I'm not here to just speak of my journey. I really wanna share what I say are 4 or 5 tips to really take you along your journey. The first one, embrace your uniqueness. Be you. Each of you is a masterpiece, a tapestry of experiences, talents, and backgrounds that are uniquely your own. Embrace your identity, your roots, your cultural heritage, for it's your diversity of thought and experiences that are going to enrich our collective story as a human body. My journey to becoming a blender has been both a challenge and an opportunity, though I never felt out of place in those places because I knew that my knowledge was my power. I seized the opportunity as a chance to infuse my heritage into a craft, creating blends that tell a story of resilience, ingenuity, and cultural celebration, refusing to fit in anybody's mold. I will learn to gain the power of my voice, so I encourage you to stay true to yourself. Secondly, follow your passion, whatever that might be, today or whatever it might become in the future. It's ever-changing. I left A&M midway through my graduate studies with the support of Dr. Verghese and other faculty, but I left twice. I left first to go work at a kettle chip company in Oregon and came back for maybe 2 weeks. And then this whiskey blending opportunity came up and I left again. I always knew that I could come back, and thanks to Dr. Verghese, I'm currently applying for readmission to finish my master's degree. Sorry. This school taught me to explore and seize every opportunity. So I want you to remember that success is not a destination. It's a journey that's paved with your passion and is driven by your dedication and your discipline. I want you to seek what sets your heart on fire and makes time go by so quick that you don't even know. In my case, spirits and flavor ignite a flame in me that burns bright, burning through long hours of experimentation, sensory analysis, failures, ups and downs. The road has been difficult, but I am committed to sharing my passion for whiskey and sharing that with the world. Third, adversity is growth. Stuff happens. Adversity is not an enemy to shy away from. It is an invaluable teacher that shapes our character and resilience. Every challenge that you are going to face over the next 4 years is going to be an opportunity for growth and learning. To be very candid with you, I came on campus with scholarships. I lost those. I experienced academic probation and had to improve my GPA. So from that on, I learned that failure would not dictate my future. When I graduated my BS, I was honestly just happy to walk across the stage. I took grad school as my fresh start. I want you to know that you can do anything you put your mind up to. On my journey to become a blender, I faced many obstacles navigating a predominantly male industry, but I chose to see these hurdles as opportunities for stepping stones and to be stronger and louder with my voice in the industry. I want you to know that while you're here, when you're facing that adversity, the resources are here, whether it's academic affairs, health and wellness, anything that you need is right here on campus to make sure that you can get through those next 4 years. Lastly, I want you to remember to stay eager. Stay eager. As you strive for success, remember the importance of lifting others up with you. Mentorship, kindness, and advocacy are powerful, extremely powerful tools that will create a ripple effect. My journey was paved with the guidance of mentors, During my time at A&M, I spent a great deal working under PhD students in the lab, learning everything I needed to know about food science, whether it be microbiology, engineering, or chemistry. Seeking mentorship and growth opportunities along the way allowed me to really develop who I wanted to be as a person. So I share my 4 points with you, but I really want to show that there is anything that you can do as long as you put your mind up to it. I face skepticism and doubt for those who believe that whiskey blending was a field reserved for a certain mold. As a Black woman, my abilities were, and I say will, continuously be doubted, yet I am determined to break that mold and prove that my perspective and passion can contribute something extraordinary to the world. In a bottle, I've not only found a sense of accomplishment, but a testament to the power of embracing my identity, following my passion, facing challenges head-on, and collaborating with a diverse community. To the freshman class of 2027, I am very proud of you. I want you to remember to lean on those who support and love you. To the parents of these students, you play a very essential role in their life. That never ends. They need your support now more than ever. To my parents, your unwavering support over the years has been my foundation and my driving force. Your belief in me, your encouragement, and your endless love have fueled my journey and led me here as a testament to your dedication. To the food science department. One day, I'm gonna go off script, I met Dr. Verghese and she said, you're Eboni. I've seen your name on the list, but I never see you. Because I was busy working, trying to make money, doing all the things that had nothing to do with getting my degree. And from that day, she took me under her wing to make sure I knew everything I needed to know, to graduate food science with the experiences to really become whatever I wanted to be in the industry. So to the food science department, your commitment to nurturing young minds and providing learning opportunities has been instrumental in shaping my path. You've taught me that the possibilities are endless, and I extend my deepest gratitude for the opportunities you've given me to explore, learn, and grow. To Alabama A&M faculty and staff, thank you for all of your love and your hard work. This is now your home. As you navigate your path through this institution, remember that your journey is a tapestry waiting to be woven. Each experience, every interaction, contributes to the masterpiece that is your life. I want you to embrace your new threads, weave them into a story that's worth telling. And never forget that your success is not personal, it's a gift to the world. We are waiting on you. We can't wait to see the mark that you're gonna make on the world. I'll lastly say congratulations to you for an incredible milestone. I have no doubt that your journey will be marked by growth, inspiration, and extraordinary achievements. And I want to close with one thing. When I got the invitation to speak here, I was filled with mixed emotions. There were some tears, there was some laughter, there was some disbelief. Past me wouldn't believe that I'll be standing here today. Future me laughed at me and said, you have no idea what's in store. So I want to remind you that your future you is telling you, no matter how hard things might get, you have no idea what's in store. Your failures do not dictate your future, they only make it brighter. You have everything within you that you need to win with dedication. Start here, go anywhere, and lastly, be anything you want to be. And I'll close with that. Go Bulldogs.